Hello everyone. Today we're looking at perimeter. Now in geometry, the perimeter of a shape is defined as the total length of its boundary. Now with this example here, each of these squares is 1 centimetre wide, so it's just a simple case of counting the squares. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the perimeter of that rectangle is 18 centimetres. Now you see, every time I counted a square, I made a mark. That's because if you're using this method, if you don't know where you've started, it's so easy to get confused. So I always recommend my students actually just do a little mark. Doesn't matter at all, but it just makes sure that you keep up to where you are. Okay, let's look at another example. Now in this example, somebody's quite helpfully given us the dimensions. So this rectangle is 5 centimetres across and 2 centimetres down. Now to work out the perimeter in this case, all you have to do is again add up all the sides. So you've got 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. So you can actually just write that down if you want to. 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2, which actually gives us an answer of 14 centimetres. You can just see all we've basically done is we've gone around the perimeter of the item, and we've just counted up how many squares as well. So I'll just show you the other method on top of this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So either method works, you come up with the same answer, it's just which one is appropriate for you. So in this example, we now only have 2 of the sides where we've been given dimensions. Now, if you're counting squares, you could do our tried and trusted method, but also there's another way you can do it. If it's a regular shape, so you know it's 3 centimetres that side, well, this side's exactly the same, so that's going to be 3 centimetres. This side is 2 centimetres, well, that's exactly the same, that's going to be 2 centimetres. What you could do is add the 2 dimensions that you've got, so 3 plus 2 equals 5, and then just multiply by 2. And by doing that, you're including the other 2 sides. 5 times 2 equals 10. So the perimeter of that shape is 10 centimetres. Now we have an example where we're trying to be a little bit sneaky. So we're only giving you one side. But if you look closely, this shape is a perfect square. So if it's 3 centimetres on that side, on these other 3 sides, it's 3 centimetres as well. So all we have to do here is 3 times 4, because we have 4 sides to the square, equals 12. So you know that the perimeter of this shape is 12 centimetres. Again, it's not too hard to see this, but it's just always worth thinking. If you can just see one side, and they're asking you to work out the perimeter, just double check to see if it's a perfect square. Now, not every shape that you're going to be asked to work out the perimeter for is going to be regular. So in this one here, it's not a regular shape, but you've got all the dimensions there. So in this one, it's simply a case of 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2, giving you an answer of 12 centimetres. Not too hard at all. If you're using the method that we first started out about, where you're counting squares, again, it's quite easy to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, giving us the same answer of 12 centimetres. So here's one I'd like you to try at home and put the answer in the comments. We have a square, perfect square. One side is 4 centimetres. What is the perimeter, please? Anyway, have a good time, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.